Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Really interesting math problem today. X to the 6th power equal to x minus 1 to the 6th power, and we need to find from here our x. A lot of students do this mistake. They just take 6th root on both sides. They say, okay, we have like situation like that. We have x equal to x minus 1. They just cancel this 6th root and they tell, okay, it looks like x equal to 1/2. This is our root, but this is not absolutely correct because right here, this is not a good approach to solve this. If we have 6th power, we will have no more than 6th root. So this is really weird way to solve it. Because, for example, if you have a quadratic equation, you will have two roots, like x first and x second, ABC, discriminant real quick, and you will have two roots. Right here, we will have 6th power, so we will have no more than 6 roots. So it tells us that right here we have 6 root. Okay, but how can we solve it? I want to show you a really good approach because we need to factor it. But how can we factor it? Let's bring this expression from right to left. As a result, x to the 6th power equal to, or not equal, we just have minus because we bring in from right to left, x minus 1 to the 6th power equal to 0. Okay, we just bring this expression from right to left. And right now this is really great moment because we have 6 and 6. Both powers are the same, so even number, so it's really good to write it as this one. Let's write it as x cube squared minus, right here the same, x minus 1, right here the same cube, and mainly this parentheses we need to square it as well, equal to 0. So I hope you understand this step. This is to this parentheses and this is to this parentheses. Okay, right now what we have some expression. So for example, this is our a, and this expression will be our b. What we have as a result? We have a square minus b square. So as a result, a square minus b square. If you know a little bit about math, maybe this is like the most popular identity, we will have a plus b times a minus b. A minus b. Yeah, so let's apply this formula right here. This is our a, this is our b, difference of squares, and we will have parentheses. Let's write it. First parentheses, the sum of this. So x cube plus x minus 1 cube. Yeah, this is our first parentheses, and the second parentheses, x cube minus x minus 1 cube. Yeah, so this is the second parenthesis equal to 0. So we just apply this formula. Nothing hard, I guess. We just apply this formula. And right now, if we look closely to this parenthesis, this first parenthesis, that is a sum of two cubes. We need to know a formula. So if we have a cube plus b cube, what about this formula? We will have the next one, a plus b. And in second parenthesis, we will have a square minus ab and plus b square. Yeah, this is our first formula. We apply this formula right here because this is a sum of two cubes. What about this one? Difference of cubes. As well, we need to know a formula. So a cube minus b cube, yeah, equal to. So we will have a minus b, and in second parenthesis, a square plus ab and plus b square, yeah, plus b square. Okay, let's apply this formula real quick. I hope I will have enough space for this. So let's start with, we have sum of two cubes. So a plus b plus times this parenthesis. So as a result, we will have the first, we will have x plus, in second parenthesis, x minus 1 without cube. Yeah, this is our first parenthesis. This is this one. Let's go next, second parenthesis. A square minus ab plus b square. As a result, we will have the next one, x square minus ab, so x times x minus 1 times x minus 1 and plus x minus 1 square, yeah, because plus b square. This is our second parenthesis, and under this I want to write, so right here we have multiplication, I just need this space later, so I write the second, so we multiply this parenthesis, this is only this expression, multiply by this parenthesis, difference of cubes. As a result, we will have the next one. So we'll have the same x minus 1, so maybe the same but with the minus sign. And in second parenthesis, we will have x squared with the plus sign, so the same but with the plus sign, plus x times x minus 1, and as a result, plus x minus 1 square. Yeah, so this is our parentheses. And let's simplify this a little bit. Take a look closely what we have right now. We have a really good expression. So take a look closer right here, x plus x minus 1. As a result, first parenthesis right here, 2x minus 1. Yeah, this is our first parenthesis. Let's go next. Right here, x squared minus x squared plus x and plus x squared. As a result, we will have x squared minus x and plus 1. Okay, let's go next. Right here, x minus 1. X minus x equal to 0. And with this minus give us plus. So as you can see, we write this right here. We rewrite this one. So we multiply it by 1. And the last parenthesis, x squared plus x squared and plus x squared. We will have 3x squared. So 3x squared minus 3x and plus 1, yeah, equal to 0. Okay, we finally factor our problem, yeah? Factor our problem. We have 3 parentheses. Maybe right here we can cancel it because we cannot multiply it by 1, but right here we have this situation. Okay, product equal to 0. Then this parenthesis equal to 0, so 2x minus 1 equal to 0. From here we will have x equal to 1/2. Yeah, this is our first root. And I tell you more, this root can be found with this method, but only this root. What about complex roots? Complex roots hides right here. So the second parenthesis, x squared plus x and plus 1 equal to 0. What about solution to this problem? Of course, we can find this solution real quick, because this is a quadratic equation. So as a result, we will have like a discriminant real quick, and as a result I write this final answer. So x equal to 1 plus minus square root of 3i and dividing by 2. Dividing by 2. This is if we're talking about these parentheses. This is our second and third root. Okay, let's go to last parentheses. Right here we have this last parentheses. I solve it right here on the bottom. So as a result, if we solve it, we'll have quadratic equation, classic quadratic equation, and our root will be the next one. So x equal to 3 plus minus square root of 3i and dividing by 2. Okay, if you're talking about roots, this is our first root, this is our second and third, and this is our fourth and fifth root. Yeah, so 5 roots, and the sixth root will be the same as 1/2. So this is our first and sixth root. Yeah, so as a result, all roots real quick right here, we solve this problem. Maybe a lot of students have difficulties with this factoring. So as a result, you just need to maybe watch this video once more, try to understand this, or pause the video, try to understand this step, because this is maybe step which have a lot of difficulties to you, because right here we need to solve it step by step. And finally, this is maybe 90% of this question is to factor this problem. So if we factor it, real quick solution, real easy equation, so quadratic and easy equation in the first power. Yeah. So if you still have any question, write a question in comment, write a suggestion in comment. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos. Have a great day.